Let's plan November 2022. And the first step is to reflect and review the past month. Let's reflect my October 2022 goals. Okay, first goal to post more on YouTube, and which is a specific goal of 10 videos. I'm currently at 8 videos. I will be completing this goal of 10 videos because today is 30th and I will be posting this plan with me today, and tomorrow I will be posting another video. So it would be 10 videos. So I'm just highlighting it confidently. So the next one is to complete the book, The Blue Umbrella. I've completed this book. I really enjoyed reading the book and the story, how the author connected the story from the beginning to the end. I totally enjoyed this read. Not only that, I did complete another book which is The Compound Effect, and also I've completed another book which is Do Epic Shit. I really liked it. It's such a motivational read, and coming to Compound Effect, love that book as well. Okay, then I did have some fun in travel. I enjoyed and had fun and walked daily. Think I can highlight it off. After I came back from my trip, I was sick for about 1 to 2 weeks. In that period, I didn't walk. Even though I was sick in this month, it is kind of a productive month and a happy month for me. Do reflect on your October 2022 goals as well, and then you can review the past month using the 3 prompts, which is what went well in the last month, what didn't went well, number 3 things to improve for the upcoming month. Let's reflect on this YouTube tracking as well, which I introduced in my last plan with me only. This is my goals and this is like the actual growth of this YouTube channel. Okay, my goal is to reach 1200 subscribers, and the actual growth is 1205 subscribers. Wow, thank you so much for subscribing, guys. And the total views was, my goal is to reach like 98k, but guess what, I reached 100k. That's so good. So thank you guys, thank you so much, a big thank you. Video posting goal is 10, and I will write here 10 after I complete that one. Okay, now it's time to turn the page and set some fresh new goals for November 2020. Here are my goals. So first is I want to post consistent content here on YouTube, which I made specific to 13 videos. Last month it was like 10 videos. This month I want to increase the amount a little bit. Work wise, I have a lot to do. I've also selected a book for this month. It's related to to-do list. So I got this book in Kindle Unlimited. I was like, let's just give it a read. It's called To-Do List Formula, a stress-free guide to creating to-do lists that work. And it's by Damon Zaharietz. Hope I'm pronouncing it right, but you guys know at this point that I love being productive, and I feel like one of the simplest and easiest way to be productive is to make a to-do list and follow it. That's it. It's very simple, at the same time very effective way to be productive. If this book helps me making like a better to-do list, be more effective and efficient with my to-do list in my day-to-day life, then it will be really helpful. So I thought of giving it a try. So I can't wait to read this book, and it's about 109 pages. I selectively selected this book because I don't want to read a book that's 200 or 300 pages, since November is going to be pretty hectic work wise as well as YouTube wise as well. You know, it's a planner season. There will be like a lot to create content. Next, I want to walk daily. I think I can do that. I want to fix my sleep schedule, which is going like terrible. I'm a morning person, but I don't know why for the past few weeks I'm becoming like a night owl, and I don't like that. I want to fix my sleep schedule ASAP. So this is my goals. Okay guys, time for Universe Speaks to Me card. I think I will go with this one. Kindness is free. Sprinkle it everywhere. Let's sprinkle it. And for the vision board, I'm just going to stick with the pink aesthetic that I've created in my last plan with me video, but I'm just going to do a little change, which is I'm just going to turn the subscriber goal from the big goal to a tiny goal of 1300 subscribers, so that you know it will be motivated for each and every small steps through which we will achieve that big goal of 2000 subscribers. If you want to create a digital vision board like this for yourself, I've already made a video regarding that. I will link that video on the screen right now, and also I will link it up in the description as well. Do click and watch it if you want to make physical vision boards or digital vision boards using your PC or even in your mobile phone. That's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.